Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Would you do me a favor if you're new? Go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and come roll with this family. We are truth-telling money makers. That's what we are. Truth-telling money makers. We keep it real. We keep it raw here at Stock Up with Larry Jones. So now, we have a green day. The NASDAQ was up as much as almost 800 points. We're going to look at it based just on a blurb that the president of Iran, should I say, is looking to do a deal. And so at first it was unconfirmed. It's still kind of unconfirmed until we get some confirmation. But look at what the market is telling us. And again, I have been consistently saying you need to change your mindset for the one or two of you guys that continue to buy at the top and sell at the bottom. Change your mentality, okay? So let's go and let's see what's in the books, and we'll talk at the end. Right now, we can see the NASDAQ is up almost 800 points. Look at that, 3.79%, almost 4%. They are running just off of good news, just a blurb of good news, okay? We're not even talking about the supreme leader. We're just talking about the president, and the supreme leader is the one with the power over there. You know, I'm not a specialist in that area of the world, but a Dow positive 1,100 points, S&P positive 183 points, NASDAQ, which has been getting smacked down to the ground, up 787 points, almost 800 points. We'll take that. Yes, we will take that. Here we go. Dow rallies 1,000 points as optimism grows for an end to the Iran war. We could see all of the things that's going on. Look at that. The Dow was up over 1,000 points, or 2.2. The index had briefly surged above 1,100 points. This was a little earlier during the session after the unconfirmed reports said Iranian president, this dude right here, was open to ending the war with guarantees. So, and then you had, look at that, Pakistan made similar remarks earlier this month. So that's why the markets are jumping green right now. Now remember, this is the president, it's not the supreme leader. And remember, they want guarantees, right? So this is not over. This is not over, right? So we want to make sure the president said was open to ending this war with guarantees. Okay, so he wants guarantees, and so the negotiation starts, right? Are there any guarantees right now? No, there are no guarantees right now. So anything that is against ending this war, one tweet, one outburst, one I don't like this, could send the market back down. This is what I'm just telling you guys. It could, all right? So that's one of the things that is going on that is pushing this market up. And it is not the end of it. Some things are still waiting for confirmation, right? Some sectors. So you guys know I've been talking about American Airlines, Delta, Norwegian, Carnival. And we could see just based on this news, they are all up, right? Carnival up 8%, 7.7%. American Airline around 6%. Delta about 5.5%. Norwegian about 7.7%. Everything is up, but it's going to take a while for oil to come down. And they are saying that it may not come down to the pre-war prices, and that's going to be priced in. And they're talking about 3 to 4 months to get things up and going. And so this could be a bumpy road. These could be or can be a bumpy road. And yes, I still have my plays. On today, I moved it from $100 a day down to $50 a day. And I'm going to kind of weigh this out. And then if it's absolute peace, then I'm going to stop my DCA and probably just hold these a little longer. Okay, let's look right here, guys. Let's look at this. Vanguard, okay? Vanguard, this is VUG. This is Fundstrat, GRNY. And this is QQQ. These are indices. For those of you that know indices, for an indice to be up almost 4% is massive, is huge, okay? And then Fundstrat, 2.9%. Invesco QQQ up 3.37%. Someone asked me the other day, why were you buying more VUG than QQQ? Because it was beat down more. And then after that, I was buying more QQQ. Why? It was beat down more. That's just my method to the madness. I chase the reds. And then our darling, which is one of my new portfolio plays, Stocks with Josh and myself. He has partnered with me to do a new portfolio, and we have a lot of stock in there. But one of the stock is HIMS, ticker symbol HIMS is one of the stock, and it is up 9.6%. It was up almost 11% today. It was up over 10.5% today, and it is jumping. And you know what else is jumping while we're here? Palantir is jumping. Palantir is up 6.3%. A lot of people have been asking me, what do you think about Palantir? What do you think about Palantir? I said, I'm holding mine. And I said, I was actually buying a few shares, right? And so I held because I'm in my full positions. I didn't buy much, but 6.3% on the amount of Palantir that I have, could have bought just a little more, just a little more. I showed you guys that, right? Showed you the HIMS, the HERS, and the Palantir, okay? And so what I'm going to do to keep this video straight to the point, I want to show you guys how we made money. Someone made $5,400 today live trading with us. See, I don't come here and just share my wins. I share the wins of the people, right? So here's what's going on right now. We got the traffic trader, and we've been trading this to the T. We made money on the SPY this morning. As a matter of fact, this morning we made money going up. It's almost a roller coaster. We made money going up. We rode this puppy up on the 2-minute. Watch this. Watch this, guys. We made money on the 2-minute riding this puppy up and down. So look at that. We rode this up, made money, waited, and then it started just when I was about to end, it fell down and we rode this back down. And then now look at what happened. The news comes out. Look at that sharp, big, fat candle on the 2-minute. Bam! It just jumped up. And now we are off to the races. And it's hitting all of my levels. See, I give these levels before we trade. I gave this level, this level, this level, this level, this level. I give these levels before we trade. And let's look through this. Yeah, this is about right. Fear and greed. Remember yesterday it was down here, and now it's going to lighten up. And you guys know that when we are out of fear and we start to go back up, that's when the masses will pile in. Meanwhile, we were making money. Today on the Q's, thank you, sir, for your honest technicals, or teachings, should I say. Blessings. This person, almost $1,200, realized gain, $1,193. All right. Made $593. We could see what's going on here. We're making money. We got new people coming in here printing money. Okay. I'm not going to bore you with that, but listen, money moves. I call them money makers. We were printing money this morning. All right. We were just simply printing money this morning. Why? We learned a new skill. We don't sit back and complain like the guy did on yesterday. All right. So I don't know why you're waiting. Come get this money in Money Moves. You'll see a link right there, or you'll see a link in your top description. Now, what's going to happen is this happens all of the time. A lot of people come to Money Moves or anything like that. They'll come to these groups, to our groups, when the stock market is going up, when you should be doing the other thing. You should be entering in and learning while the stock market is down. And then when the stock market rises, then you really print money. Yeah, we're making money as the market was going down over the last month. We just been printing puts. And now when the stock market turns around, guess what? We're going to be printing calls, just making money. And then we take that money and we add it to our long-term positions. So come and join us. But listen, tell me what you think. Do you think it's over? Do you think this is just a blurb, right? Again, I said yesterday that it was a sign to still be buying because it was down. The NASDAQ was down another 200 points. I said, I am still buying. I'm not going to tell you what to do. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. And we could be happy today and we could be sad tomorrow. Anything could happen to send this market down. But this market is giving you a peek in what's to come when this is over. Come join us. Come learn and earn in Money Moves. Top link below. We'll see you tomorrow. Live, love, laugh, and learn.